Hey, what's up guys? Got a new package here today. Got a new reel that came in. Let's see what it is. Got from eBay, from Japan Reels. Got for like 150 free shipping. Came in really fast, like maybe 2-3 days tops. Here we go. Wow, it's really smooth. Check this out. Look at that spool. Just keeps on going. Oh my goodness. That was awesome. Really smooth. For 150 bucks? Okay, let's pop this open here. Pop it and drop it. There you go. Let's see what it looks like when it goes. See that? Nice and easy. Lock it again. Here's on top, side view, front, left side, back, and the bottom. Okay, TackleTour gave this reel a 7.8 out of 10. There's only 4 bearings for this reel, but with the MGL spool, it's really smooth. And from TackleTour, it's supposedly the max drag can go up to 17 pounds, which is a lot. 17 pounds for a Shimano reel? What? That's insane. This reel weighs about 6.8 ounces. The body frame, it's made up of this this composite, this plastic / graphite material. This reel feels really good. 6.8 ounces, 17 pounds max drag. Wow. I bought this reel to be mainly my my workhorse for like cranking and jerk baits, whatever, any type of reaction bait involving constantly cranking. I just can't believe how smooth that spool is. Look at that! Look at that! It just keeps on going. Probably gonna spool this up today. Run some tests here and there. Kind of reminds me of the odd bearing, the way it's designed right here. Really cool. I like the color too. I like this dark metallic graphite gray color to it. And I love the red. Red's my favorite color. If you guys don't know that, it looks awesome. For 150 bucks. If you guys are looking for like a cheaper JDM reel, go for this one. It doesn't weigh a lot too, at 6.8 ounces, 17 pounds of drag, 17. Most Shimano goes up to like 12, 13 on average. Oh, I also forgot to mention, there's only a 2 gear ratio. There's a 6.3 and then this one, the 7.2. They got the 7.2. I like using the faster gear ratio. Like always, you can always just slow it down. But I do like having the option of having more speed on it. Alright guys, this is the Casitas MGL. I'll let you guys know how it goes once I spool up and go throw some lures on it. See if I can catch a fish too. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.